Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how we're going to keep our Google Drives organized this year. So first, if you're on a Chromebook or a computer, you're going to go to drive.google.com. If you're on an iPad, you're going to go to the Drive app, which looks just like this, that icon. On the iPad, the new button is going to be on the bottom, like over in this area, but on the computer, it's up in the top left. So the first thing you're going to do is make a folder. So we're going to press New Folder, and you're going to name it however your teacher wants you to name it. My students are going to name it with their name and the year, so 2019, 2020. So you're going to put your name, 2019, 2020. Create. Okay, then it will take you right to it. So the first thing you're going to do before we even start making anything in the folder is share it to your teacher. So on the iPad, what it's going to look like is you're going to have 3 dots over here. You're going to press those 3 dots, and then you will see this little person button. So then you'll do the same step as us, but you're going to have to press the 3 dots first. But on a computer, you just click it, make sure it's highlighted, then you're going to press this person button. And you're going to type in your teacher's name. So my kids will type in Mallory Schneider. Let's say you're in Miss Campbell's class, Laura Campbell. Okay? So I'm just going to send it to myself, Mallory Schneider, and send. So now your teacher has access to everything you make in this folder. So you don't need to send your teacher individual Google Docs or slides anymore. So I'm going to make everything in this folder. So we're going to set up our subjects right now. So now I'm in the folder. You can see this at the top, and you're going to press New Folder, and we're going to make a folder for every subject. So let's start with math. Let's do morning work, because you're going to do a lot of morning work online. Writing, science, and social studies. We'll just do those for now. Maybe your teacher has other ones that they want you to do too. Okay, so let's say that tomorrow your morning work says on the board that you need to make a Google Doc and insert an image into it. So see, my morning work folder is empty right now, but I'm going to press New Doc. If you're on an iPad, this is going to take you to another app, which is the Google Docs app. But if you're on a computer, it will look just like this. So then you're going to title it. So I would title it whatever your task is. So insert image, or maybe you want to do the date, whatever your teacher prefers. So let's say that this is August, what would it be? Let's just say the 19th. Okay. So I'm going to insert an image, and maybe she told me to insert an image of the beach. All right. So see up here, we don't need to share that anymore because the whole folder is already shared with your teacher. So I know mine looks different because I shared it with myself, so that's why it's still got that private button up here. But yours will look different since you shared that whole folder with your teacher. So anytime you need to make a new morning work doc, you're going to do it in this morning work folder. So make sure you're keeping it organized, making all new docs within these folders, whatever subject you're doing. All right, thanks.